Imagine you're walking up the stairs and suddenly feel stiff, sore, and wondering if your strength is slowly slipping away. Your legs feel weaker than they used to. Maybe you've noticed it's harder to get up from your favorite chair or carry groceries like you once did. If you're over 60, you're not alone in this struggle. Here's what most people don't realize. After age 60, we lose about 3 to 8% of our muscle mass every decade. But what if I told you that sitting in your kitchen right now are 4 powerful vegetables that can actually help you rebuild that lost muscle strength? Today, we are going to uncover the top 4 vegetables that can help you rebuild muscle, improve your strength, and enhance your mobility after 60. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find superfoods. They are likely vegetables you already know and maybe even love. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vegetables to add to your shopping list, how to prepare them for maximum benefit, and why they're so effective for muscle health. If this sounds helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let's get started. Number 1. Spinach. Let's start with spinach. This leafy green is absolutely loaded with nitrates, which are compounds that help improve blood flow to your muscles. When your muscles get better blood flow, they receive more oxygen and nutrients, which helps them function better and recover faster. Here's what makes spinach so special for muscle building. It's loaded with folate, which helps your body produce new cells, including muscle cells. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides nearly 70% of your daily folate needs, but that's not all. Spinach also contains something called ecdysterone, a natural compound that research suggests can increase muscle protein synthesis by up to 20%. That means your body becomes more efficient at building and repairing muscle tissue. The magnesium in spinach plays a crucial role too. Your muscles need magnesium to contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, you might experience muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue. Here's how to maximize spinach's muscle-building benefits. Add fresh spinach to your morning smoothie with some protein powder. The vitamin C in spinach will actually help your body absorb the protein more effectively. You can also sauté spinach with garlic and add it to scrambled eggs for a muscle-building breakfast that tastes amazing. One important tip: cooking spinach actually increases the bioavailability of many nutrients, so don't feel like you always have to eat it raw. Light steaming or sautéing for just 2 to 3 minutes can unlock more of those muscle-building compounds. Number 2. Beetroot. Our second muscle-building vegetable is beetroot, which is also known as beets. Have you ever noticed the deep, rich color of beetroot? That vibrant hue isn't just beautiful. It's a sign of the powerful compounds inside that can significantly benefit your muscle health after 60. Beetroot stands out as one of nature's most potent sources of dietary nitrates, compounds now recognized for their remarkable ability to enhance muscle function in older adults. What happens when you consume beetroot? The nitrates are converted to nitric oxide in your body, which improves blood vessel function and increases blood flow to your muscles. This enhanced circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles during and after activity, helping them perform better and recover faster. Beetroot also contains beta-alanes, powerful antioxidants that help reduce muscle inflammation after exercise. This is crucial because chronic inflammation can actually break down muscle tissue and slow recovery. The folate in beetroot supports DNA synthesis and cell repair, including muscle cell repair. Plus, beetroot provides natural sugars that can help replenish muscle glycogen stores after physical activity. Here's how to add more beets to your muscle-building nutrition plan. Fresh beetroot juice is potent, but it can be quite strong. Try mixing it half and half with apple juice or adding it to smoothies with other fruits. You can also roast whole beetroot and add them to salads or grate raw beetroot into coleslaw. If you're not used to eating beetroot, start small. They can temporarily turn your urine pink or red, which is completely harmless but can be alarming if you're not expecting it. One more tip: the greens attached to fresh beetroot are actually edible and nutritious too. Sauté them like spinach for even more muscle-building benefits. If this information is helping you understand the connection between nutrition and muscle health, consider giving this video a like. It helps us reach more people who could benefit from this knowledge. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are like nature's perfect pre- and post-workout fuel, even if your workout is just a walk around the neighborhood or some light gardening. They provide the clean, sustained energy your muscles need to perform and recover. The orange color in sweet potatoes comes from beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for protein synthesis and muscle repair. But sweet potatoes offer something even more valuable for muscle building: complex carbohydrates that fuel your workouts without spiking your blood sugar. Here's why this matters for muscle building after 60. When you eat refined sugars or simple carbs, your blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling tired and weak. Sweet potatoes provide steady energy that helps you stay active throughout the day. And staying active is crucial for maintaining and building muscle mass. Sweet potatoes also contain potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and supports proper muscle function. One medium sweet potato provides about 15% of your daily potassium needs. The fiber in sweet potatoes helps your body maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is important because blood sugar spikes can actually interfere with muscle protein synthesis. Here's my favorite way to prepare sweet potatoes for muscle building. Bake them with the skin on to get maximum nutrients, then top with a protein-rich food like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. The combination of complex carbs and protein creates the ideal environment for muscle repair and growth. You can also try roasted sweet potato cubes in salads or mash them as a side dish with dinner. Just avoid adding too much butter or sugar, which can counteract the muscle-building benefits. Number 4, broccoli. Now let's talk about broccoli, our fourth and final muscle-building vegetable that's probably more powerful than you realize. Broccoli is like a multivitamin that you can actually taste. It's packed with vitamin K, which is essential for bone health and muscle function. Strong bones provide the foundation for strong muscles, and after 60, both become increasingly important. But here's where broccoli really shines for muscle building. It contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to help preserve muscle mass and strength as we age. Sulforaphane activates certain proteins in your cells that help maintain muscle fiber integrity. Broccoli is also an excellent source of vitamin C, and here's why this matters for muscle building. Vitamin C is required for collagen synthesis, and collagen is a major component of muscle tissue. Without adequate vitamin C, your body can't properly repair and build muscle fibers. The protein content in broccoli might surprise you. 1 cup of chopped broccoli contains about 3 grams of complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle building. Broccoli also provides chromium, a trace mineral that helps your body use protein more effectively. This is especially important as we age because our bodies become less efficient at processing nutrients. Here's how to prepare broccoli to maximize its muscle-building benefits. Light steaming for 3 to 4 minutes preserves most nutrients while making them more bioavailable. You can also roast broccoli with a little olive oil and garlic for a delicious side dish. Add steamed broccoli to omelets, stir-fries, or grain bowls. The key is not to overcook it. When broccoli turns that dull olive green color, you've cooked away many of the beneficial compounds. For maximum sulforaphane content, try eating some raw broccoli too. Add small florets to salads or enjoy them with hummus as a snack. Here's what I want you to remember from today's video. Muscle loss after 60 isn't completely inevitable, and expensive supplements aren't your only option. These 4 vegetables, spinach, beetroot, sweet potatoes, and broccoli provide scientifically proven compounds that support muscle building and maintenance. The key is consistency. You don't need to eat massive quantities of these vegetables, but including them regularly in your meals can make a real difference in how you feel and function. Remember, nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. These vegetables work best when combined with regular physical activity, even if that's just walking, gardening, or light resistance exercises with bands or small weights. Don't wait until you feel weak to start taking action. The earlier you begin supporting your muscle health with proper nutrition, the better your chances of maintaining strength and independence throughout your later years. This video is intended for informational and educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have any symptoms, discomfort, or health concerns, please consult your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider. Always talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet, supplements, or lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring ways to live your strongest, healthiest life. Take care of yourself and remember, it's never too late to start taking better care of your health.